Damn quick. Hey, this is HD. Gonna be all on the internet. Live. Look, my truck at the house. Keeping it okay, CZ. Where you going, nigga? Where you going, nigga? What's the group meeting, man? Y'all left me out the meeting, man?
Rico good at buying shit. Rico good at buying shit. They always buying shit and sitting to the side. Man, I'm gonna bring that out.
What up? There's something you want to say, man?
Man, yeah, nigga.
This ain't one of
shitting on this town.
This ain't one of them bootleg videos like they made the other day.
Hey, man, you got the tissue?
Nah, it's on video too, man.
Okay, I just want to give some niggas some shit, you hear me?
No, I ain't got no tissue, man.
Don't wipe their ass.
Motherfucking police is all about.
I don't care. Fuck the police, let them blow their nose too. Yeah.
Hey, stop it so you can lick the bottom of this frame. You got candy all on that bitch.
Damn. Damn.